How you doing, guys? Chase Landry here with Chase Group Construction. We want to give an update on Palmer Parc. It's a commercial development over here in Lafayette, Louisiana at 1400 East Milton Avenue. We're gonna have this project be delivered in two phases. Phase one is comprised of a 10,500 square foot childcare facility, our Chase Group construction office, and then a co-working building space next to these oak trees over here, which is a beautiful site, by the way, which is why we're preserving some of these trees. But the first phase includes those three buildings, and really the anchor is the childcare and some of the co-working space, because it brings some of the office space and childcare that's much needed in this area to bridge the gap between a lot of these communities being in South Lafayette and being in the Milton School District. And then phase two is going to include our full service restaurant. We have some commercial flex space along with a drive-through coffee shop and some retail medical office space too. We have two phases coming here. The first is what you see here, we're standing on right now. Phase two is on the other side of Simplify Road, private road, and across the street we have another 2 acres. Next to this property, which is going to share a lot of the same aesthetics and design elements, is the Reserve at Briarwood, which is a 71 unit build to rent community, which is gated individual single family homes. And with the 2 acres across the street, we're kind of creating a small little district right here that's going to share all of the same design elements. One of the main catalysts to all this is the brand new water plant over here. Prior, they had a water moratorium, so you could not build more than 3 units at a time, or really any commercial that demanded a high volume of water. So that is literally coming online in the next month or so, and we have the flat and vertical construction still to go here, so it's going to be ready for that. So we're timing the market perfect with the infrastructure that's coming, but we wanted to showcase a few of the things we had here going on, and we'll give updates as the project continues. We wanted to document some of the infrastructure, specifically the gas lines that are coming in right now from the municipality side, and also the water tower and the water plant that is over there right now is about to be finished. That's going to supply this area with more water volume to be able to build more houses and commercial buildings, because previously they had a moratorium. But wanted to showcase that this area is receiving a lot of infrastructure, which is the first thing that comes up whenever you want to build commercial spaces, residential. You need to have those utilities close by, and also the volume. So that's what they're doing. They're upgrading the volume. They have a water plant, a water treatment site over here, so it allows this area to grow. And that's why we are developing this site, because it's in the middle of Milton, Youngsville, and at the south side of Lafayette, which is a great location. So want to showcase what we had going on here, so everybody knows what's coming up. This is the site where the community decking is gonna be, right underneath this oak tree right here, which is beautiful. It's gonna be the centerpiece of the development, where people can come and gather and eat and relax. We're gonna have a full service restaurant right beside it over here. But as you can see, they just trenched this area. This is where they put the gas line utilities, and you can see the trench on down here. But this is gonna be the main community area, which is gonna be the most beautiful spot on the site. The co-working space next to it, medical, retail on the other side, Chase Group office, full service childcare facility. So just wanted to show a little bit of the site and what's going on here.